Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
One thing I love about our method of teaching is that there are so many commonalities across some of these foundation skills. Some of what I'm about to say to you, you'll think, well, hang on, I learned that on the forwards one. And yes, you did, but we're going to repeat it right about now. Backwards 1 foot glide. We're going to initiate with our backwards padding to get ourselves moving. We're going to make sure that just before we attempt our 1 foot glide, we bring our feet into parallel underneath us, nice neutral feet, blades, vertical. Check your posture. Are you standing nice and level to start with? Arms out side to side. Now we're going to remind ourselves of unweighting. We have to move our body weight across slightly to the foot that we want to carry us before we remove 1 foot. If we're still balanced between our feet and we remove a foot, we will always flop over like a broken table, okay? So make sure the first thing we do as we're getting ready to do that balance on 1 foot, weight shift over to the foot that's going to carry you and then gently lift that landing gear. Up comes that foot. It doesn't need to come up very high in order to be able to balance and move along. Momentum is your friend. When you're comfortable carrying a little bit of flow, the word speed can scare some people, but we want good flow. We want to feel that continuity of movement and travel as we're going backwards so that the balance will last for us, okay? The more stationary we are, you see me standing here absolutely still on the spot. You can see my foot having to wiggle around. It is one of the hardest things to do to try to balance with little or no momentum. So do carry some flow through your backwards glide. A little additional note about our 1 foot backwards glide, and that is that when we skate backwards, we know we're going to be slightly further in the front zone, everything from the midpoint forward towards the ball of the foot, than when we're skating forwards. Now, when we do that, it frees the heel. It allows the heel space between the blade and the ice, and that creates a tendency to pivot. So if you have even the slightest inclination to turn a leg, tightness in one side of a hip or another, then you may find that in the moment that you go for that 1 foot glide, that your leg steers you around in a different direction. I'll show you an example. If I'm skating backwards now and I lift a leg and I have like a tendency for my leg to rotate underneath me, because of that front half balance on the foot, it makes it more likely for that leg to swivel and pivot underneath me. Useful for when I'm turning between forwards and backwards, not so useful for when I'm trying to hold a glide. So disciplining that leg, neutral foot, knee in alignment, hip, and then really towering upwards and keeping this rest of the body nice and square. Shoulders directly over hips with no twist one way or the other at the waist or at the leg.
So we can begin by building momentum using our backwards lemons. Feet parallel for a short time to prepare, unweighting to one side and then gently raising that light foot just a few centimeters from the ice. There are a number of correct places that this free foot can be carried. Here we see the most basic, lifted and sustained just at the side of the skating foot. This is an excellent start point for beginners as it is quite neutral and allows a skater to feel as much symmetry as possible to develop confidence in a basic glide. Once you feel at home with the basic free foot position, you can try this next stage variation. The free foot is held off the ice just ahead of the skating foot, as if you had paused mid-step whilst walking. This variation helps us to develop a balance ability in a shape that will become much used in upcoming backward skills. When you feel ready to progress to this variation, remember soft knees and the blade balance point slightly forward of center in the mid to ball of foot zone. Aim to make your feet line up in single file like they're queuing at the supermarket checkout.